In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get mods for Steam games. If you've ever wanted to tweak your favorite game with new features, visual upgrades, or quality of life improvements, Steam Workshop makes it simple and safe to do. We'll walk through browsing for mods, subscribing to the ones you want, and making sure they're ready when you launch your game. Start by opening Steam and heading to your library. Click on the game you want to mod, and look for the Workshop tab on that game's page. That tab is your gateway to thousands of community-made additions. Not every game supports Workshop, so if you don't see the tab, that particular title may not offer mods through Steam. Inside the Workshop, use the search bar and filters to narrow things down. It helps to read the mod descriptions carefully to see what the mod changes, whether it needs any other mods, and which game version it's built for. Check screenshots and update dates, and take a quick look at ratings and comments to get a sense of stability and compatibility. When you find a mod you like, click subscribe. Subscribing is Steam's way of saying, download this and keep it updated. Steam will automatically fetch the files and place them in the correct Workshop folder for that game, no manual copying required. Larger mods can take a bit of time, especially if you're grabbing several at once, so it's a good idea to keep Steam open and online while they download. If you're curious about progress, the downloads section in Steam will show you what's coming in and how much is left. Remember that mods take disk space, so make sure you have room for high-resolution textures or big content packs. Once your subscriptions finish downloading, launch the game from your library. For most Workshop-supported titles, subscribe mods are applied automatically. Many games will display a brief mods or Workshop screen on startup so you can see what's active, and some may let you toggle mods or adjust load order from within their menus. If a creator mentions specific settings or a recommended order in the mod description, following those notes can improve stability. And because you're subscribed, Steam will handle future updates to your mods in the background, keeping everything current as the game evolves. That's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.